Welcome to this explainer. Let's dive into the ultimate cybersecurity certification roadmap to absolutely supercharge your career.
So you're probably wondering, are these certs actually worth your hard-earned time and money? Let's break it down.
Look, in the cyber world, anyone can claim they're an expert. But certifications, that's your undeniable proof.
They give you a vital baseline, verifying your skills against a uniform global standard that employers actually respect.
Here's an insider secret. If you're an internal employee, having these certs is a really fantastic bonus.
But if you're consulting for other businesses, they're literally mandatory to prove you're top tier to your clients.
The data totally backs this up. Fortinet found that 90% of leaders prefer hiring certified pros.
Plus, 95% of those leaders see highly positive results when they bring certified team members aboard.
The career ROI is massive. 19% got a raise, and 18% scored a totally new job.
So how do we build your timeline? Let's check out your actionable career progression roadmap right now.
Just starting out? CompTIA Security Plus or ISC2 CISSP give you operational knowledge with zero prior experience.
Next up, mid-level certs like CISSP Plus and Certified Ethical Hacker prove your specialized threat detection skills.
Finally, we have the CISSP. It's the ultimate global gold standard, requiring 5 years of professional experience.
Sticking to this roadmap gives you that competitive edge to stand out, stop threats, and boost your salary.
So, are you ready to pick your first cert? Don't wait. Take that crucial first step today.